Hi, how you doing? I'm Jordan from Northstar Kia, and have you seen the space of this brand new EV9? The EV9 is the first third-row EV in Kia's lineup, and it's actually 0.3 inches longer than the Telluride. Behind the third row of the EV9, you get about 20.2 cubic feet. Behind the second row, 43.5, and with all seats folded down, 81.7 cubic feet of space. Wow. In the EV9, Kia has implemented a brand new operating system, giving you a fresh new look to their home screen. Also, they added a third screen that gives you a new visual for your climate controls. The ambient lighting feature in the EV9 differs from every other Kia on this lineup. It gives you not only the single color options, but also two color options of the vehicle. If you'd like to know more about the EV9, come to Northstar Kia and see me, Jordan.